Hello everyone, welcomes my channel AJ Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest one of the best websites of free online learning and get a certificate from them. There are 100 courses available on this site. For whole information, watch the video till the end. That very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money making survey site. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is Sailor Academy? Sailor Academy is a non-profit initiative working since 2008 to offer free and open online courses. We offer nearly 100 full-length courses at the college and professional levels, each of which is available right now, at your pace, on your schedule, and free of cost. Whether you are looking for career advancement, degree completion, professional development, or more casual learning, we have something just for you. At Sailor Academy, you can earn modern, digital certificates of completion, earn tuition-free college credit through our network of partner schools, or even start a low-cost, convenient degree program. Spread the word, you can help. The best way, of course, is to join Sailor Academy as a student, explore, learn, pursue, and help us to build a robust, engaged, worldwide community of learners. But you can also help by telling a friend, or many, about Sailor Academy. Word of mouth is hugely important. You make a real difference for us with each person you tell, and, quite possibly, a real difference for that person, too. We are different. If you have taken open online courses before, you will find that we do things a bit differently. Our learning materials are curated from a trove of free and open online resources by expert educators. We focus on designing a self-paced learning experience that comes as close as possible to what you would learn in the college classroom. Our certificates are free, our courses are available to you at any time, and the deadlines are under your control. Find out more. We encourage you to explore our site to find out more of what Sailor Academy has to offer, but here are some highlights you might find helpful. 1. See what makes our certificates special. 2. Explore college credit opportunity courses to all who want to learn. We offer nearly 100 full-length courses. If you want to start learning, link in the description box. Is the Sailor Academy certificate free? Sailor Academy courses provide free certificates of completion issued through our partner Accredible. These digital credentials allow students to present a rich and trustworthy record of their learning to anyone at any time, so you can put your best foot forward in your professional and personal networks. How do I delete my Sailor Academy account? To request deletion of your Sailor Academy account and personal information, you should send us an email requesting deletion or cancellation. About Sailor Academy. Sailor Academy's mission is to open education to all. Sailor Academy is a non-profit initiative working since 2008 to offer free and open online courses to all who want to learn. Credit opportunities for Sailor Academy courses 3. Browse our catalog of courses 4. Learn how to get started with your first course 5. Discover our partner schools 6. Research your questions in our help center 7. Learn more about what open means to us at our Open Course Resource Center programs 1. Sailor Direct College Credit. Sailor Direct College Credit courses can help you complete your degree with substantial tuition savings. We work directly with colleges and universities to provide zero tuition transfer credit for more than 30 of our free, self-paced, online courses, helping degree seekers overcome barriers of cost, time, and location. 2. Certificates of completion. Sailor Academy courses provide free certificates of completion issued through our partner Accredible. These digital credentials allow students to present a rich and trustworthy record of their learning to anyone at any time, so you can put your best foot forward in your professional and personal networks. I hope you all enjoying the video and start learning from it today. If you want to get a more interesting video of an online learning site, leave a comment. Don't forget to share the video, subscribe to my channel and smash the bell icon. Good luck.